These motherfuckers are attacking me now. Sweating and shit. Fuck. What the fuck, man? Fuck. All right, what's going on, guys? It is your boy Rish. I apologize if the audio is maybe a little iffy. Like, I was trying to use my camera, but we're on the rooftops. There's a bunch of like factory work type things on the roofs over here, making all these noises and shit. So I hope you guys could hear me good enough, and hopefully this video is presentable enough. Oh, and by the way, I got my Crocs in 4-wheel drive this time, because someone mentioned I had it in 2-wheel drive, and you know, just not getting the full potential out of it, you know? Today's video is top 5 must-have mods for the TSX. What I personally think, basically what I got, you know? So basically what I think is must-have mods and what just looks overall good for the TSX. The top mod for the TSX, guys, I'm sure you guys all know. You see the post 24/7. You see people asking 24/7. Reflash, Honda to reflash or Surge bow tune. Obviously, you guys probably know the Surge bow tune a lot more. It gets tossed around literally like every day. There's a post about it every day. You know, a couple months back or whatever, he's been MIA, but I think he's starting to make a comeback, or people are starting to hear from him. I had his reflash on my last TSX. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Fastest man in the world. It did good. Woke up the car. It did what it had to do. Sorry guys, you know, if I'm like squinting and shit, you know, this sun's like starting to come out. It's 7 in the morning. I'm trying to give you guys the vibes right out of work and, you know, get this content going. But it's starting to get hot and stuff too, you know, spicy kielbasa's. She's over there, you know, just walking and dancing in the back. Reflash, 100% top mod. Everyone gets it, everyone asks about it, everyone talks about it. I'd recommend obviously getting the Flash Pro, or if you're 04 to 06, get the ECU and Flash Pro setup. If you're 07 to 08, just get the reflash and you have full capabilities with this car, full tuning, full customization, whatever. You know, that's how I did the crackle tune and whatnot on this car. It wakes the car up a lot, it makes it more peppy. Detuned from factory. K24s, they love to rev, they love to scream, you know, love that VTEC low, so get that reflash, guys. If you guys are looking for a Flash Pro, Honda or whatever, visit Hilto Auto, our sponsor's website. I use code RISH for 5% off. Mostly all parts you could find there, so just go check in with them and see what's good. I had to move the car, guys, because I had to get the hell out the sun. I was starting to sweat a lot. Number 1 was reflash. Number 2, guys, lip kit. What I just installed and made a video on recently, the Euro R lip kit. I got all around front lip, rear lip, and side skirts. They really do change up the car's look so much. Could make it look more aggressive, you know, just it changes up the body look a lot. Like even the side skirts add a nice little touch to it, man. Like they come out a lot more sharper, just more of an aggressive look. I really like the Euro R lip kit. It looks good to me. Genuine lip kits and bumpers and all that stuff, they're getting a lot harder to find in good condition, OEM, you know, not replicas and whatnot. They are getting harder to find. I got this from DOHC Parts on IG and Facebook, I believe. Really quick shipping, wrapped it up really well. Pretty good communication too. Prices are whatever the prices are, guys, because the Russian guys are kind of like the only ones that are really supplying it, OEM ones at that. So go cop yourself a lip kit. Go check them out on Instagram. Tell them Rish sent you guys. There's like the Mugen, the Modulo, there's a Euro R, there's the A-Spec. It's all about the means of finding it and sourcing all that stuff. So that was number 2. Number 3, coilovers. Coilovers. It is a must-have to finger bang. It's like coilovers are a must-have for this car, guys. If you remember, I had these stock wheels on at stock height and it looked absolutely horrendous. It looked like a monster truck. It looks like one of these RDXs, MDXs or whatever driving around. It's a fucking SUV. No bueno, man. It looks super ugly. Anytime I lowered these cars like I did with my last one when I had my Teen Flex Zs, now with my BC Extreme Lows, which I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna get that low with this car. Like I have to be like cambered the hell out. It looks so great slammed, so great lowered. Change up the whole look completely. As soon as I lowered the car, it looked so different. And I just fell in love with it instantly. It just reminded me of the blue one that I had. These cars are great and I love them. That's why I got another. And that's why I continue giving you guys the content, real content from my own experiences and what I've seen on Facebook groups constantly getting posted and whatnot. I'm just trying to give you guys the realest content possible I can with the TSXs. You guys been saying I have been, and I'm your go-to kind of TSX content guy, so I really appreciate you guys and I hope it continues. Number 4, I'm gonna go with EM2 clutch master cylinder, the hybrid racing kit or whatever I got, the delay valves and stuff in the clutch master cylinder and the OEM one. It's just really shitty, especially first to second. It makes you feel like you don't know how to drive stick shift. It's gonna help with the delay valve love and help your shifting and smoother and faster shifting. So that's definitely a big thing people overlook until they get annoyed with the shifting on the TSX, you know. Number 5. 6.1 is going to be a little treat addition, which I don't have done to my car yet, which I really need to. Number 5, exhaust or headers, or both. Headers wake the car up so much. It gives it that pep, it gives it that extra momentum. You feel the difference right away. Even when I had the DC Sports headers on my last car, you felt the difference right away. Power shift and whatnot, and you know, that VTEC bustin', you know. Headers are really a top one. That's where everyone gets to, you know, full bolt-ons and whatever. It's kind of like the typical go-to. And exhaust. I have a 3-inch single exit right now. The K-Series, they love the 3 inches. If you're not going turbo or plan on going turbo anytime, most likely don't need it with the TSX. 2 3/4 of an inch is probably good enough for exhaust on the TSX. 2.5 inches is what I went on my last one. So that was full bolt-on or whatever. That's sufficient enough, but I do plan on going boost or whatnot, so I just went ahead and went 3-inch. It definitely lets the car breathe more. Single exit allows for more performance, because with dual exit, the wideband, it restricts the power right there, the power flow. That's why single exit is better. Dual could be better for sound, and it looks pretty good too. I always like the dual look, but hey man, single for the win. Last but not least, number 6, guys. I do not have it on my car, but window tints. I do plan on taking the TSX on a road trip down to Florida because I want to drive the car. I want to bring my doggo down there and experience Florida. Who knows, we might end up down there and living there because CT just hasn't been the move lately. So window tints, that's going to be a must-have in some heat like Florida. So that's really it for this video, guys. I could have done like a top 10, but then I'm basically listing every fucking part of the car. I don't really want to do that. It's kind of a top 5 list. If you guys want me to do another top 5 list of whatever else you guys would want to see about the TSX or anything else, let me know, guys. I am willing to do it. I'll do my research, or if I just know it, I'll do the videos, try my best, and give you guys that quality and the vibes and all that stuff. Yeah, this is progress on the build so far. Got the lip kits on, got the clutch installed, the comp stage 2 with the lightweight flywheel. We just keep busting it down and building it up. So none more to it but to do it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Drop a thumbs up, leave a comment on what you want to see next, or what you enjoyed in this video, or what you like about the TSX so far. Subscribe if you haven't. Join the Rish gang. We keep on growing. We're almost at 2,200 subscribers already. Peace out, guys. Enjoy.